India was a slave. Goa, Portugal country ruling and we were just like slaves. UK, Great Britain was ruling the other parts of the country except Pondicherry. Pondicherry by French people and Dutch people. In my home state, Cochin was under the control of Dutch for some time. Now you see, if you analyze the situation in those countries, every country is now being controlled by Indian origin people. Great Britain's, once I am as a student of history, I would like to say what was the opinion of Winston Churchill about India. Those people are useless. They can't rule their country, so no freedom be given. Ridiculed us. But now UK Prime Minister is an Indian origin person. What about Portugal? Portugal's Prime Minister is also now an Indian origin person. Dutch is concerned, its name is different now. But two parliament members of Indian origin is there. And France is concerned, 3-4 days back, I read in the newspaper that French President declared that only Indian Prime Minister can solve the Ukraine and Russian problem